In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share just one tab in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to give someone access to a single worksheet without exposing the rest of your data, this method is fast, safe, and built right into Google Sheets. Start by heading to Google in your browser. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon and choose Sheets. That opens the Sheets home, where you can find and open the spreadsheet you're working on. Once your document is open, look along the bottom for the tab you want to share. Right-click that tab name to open the tab menu. Hover over Copy To, then select New Spreadsheet. This makes a brand new file that contains only that one tab, preserving the visible data, formatting, and most formulas. Quick tip: if your sheet has formulas that reference other tabs in the original file, review them afterward, because those references won't come along. After the copy completes, you'll see a small prompt with an option to open the new file. Click Open to jump straight into the standalone spreadsheet. Now you're ready to share just this tab without giving access to the rest of the original workbook. In the new spreadsheet, click the Share button in the top right corner. If you're prompted to name the file before sharing, enter a clear, specific name that your recipient will recognize. Then, click Save. In the sharing window, type the email address of the person you want to share with. If needed, you can adjust their permission level to viewer, commenter, or editor, so they have exactly the access you intend. You can also add an optional message to provide context. When everything looks right, click Send. Your recipient will receive an email invitation to the new file, which contains only the tab you copied. That's it. You've effectively shared a single tab by copying it into its own spreadsheet and sending access to that new file. Your original document remains private, and only the content of that one tab is visible to the recipient. If you need to share other tabs, repeat the same process for each one. And remember, this creates a snapshot. Future changes in the original file won't automatically sync to the shared copy. If you need a fresh version later, just copy the tab again and share the updated file. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Sheets.